This video made me realize that every single day we're getting better than yesterday without knowing it. This was the second video I made on my channel. 7 years ago, I started my YouTube channel, How to Make Beans and Plantains. Hey, this is Dekas and welcome to my channel. Today we're making beans and plantain. I know you say that you're used to this delicacy. It's a very simple food to prepare, but wait and see the method I used. And if you try this method, you will not prepare your beans and plantain any other way. Actually, I didn't like beans, but when my husband introduced me to this method, since then I eat beans. I look forward to eating beans. Just wait and see how this method goes. It's so simple and it's so delicious. Ingredients include brown beans, overripe plantain, palm oil, fresh pepper, onions, seasoning cubes and salt. First, we wash our beans, put it in a pot and then cover it to boil for a while. So you add your plantain, then cover up back the pot and then allow the beans to be well cooked. This is for the plantain to enter into the beans and cook together very well. Now our beans is all done. So I've heated up oil in a separate place, fried my onion. I used vegetable grater to do that. You don't really need it very smooth, so I blended my pepper onions together. I heated up oil, I fried it a bit. Now I'm going to add it back into this pot. Now I add our fried sauce back into the pot. Together and cover back the pot. When the beans boils for a while, we open it up and then mash our beans and plantain together. Try and mash them together. Sorry, I didn't mention I added the salt and the seasoning cubes while frying the pepper and the onions. When we mash it together, our food is all done. Thanks for watching. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, try and do that. And please, if you love this video, give it thumbs up, like it for me please. As you're doing this, you're helping me and I'll be thinking of the next dish to cook. Thanks for watching. God bless. Bye.